The one fatal mistake many make is to neglect to prepare their talks. How can they even hope? Hello, my friend! Lectures without the script. Some people like to do them, but they're risky. I recommend you to do your lectures with your script. I do mine with a script. But if you want to do them, if you want to do your lecture without script, no problem. Let's just be aware of the risks you have. The first one is forgetting words to describe, to explain a concept. Second, forget to explain an important point of your idea. And the third and most frequent is using more time than you should. Or better said, you see, I always improvise. I don't have a script here. The word that I'm trying to remember is extravasar, abusar. How can I say that in English? Use more than the time that you were allowed to. You had 30 minutes and you were talking for 40 minutes. This is very, very bad. How can you avoid these mistakes? First thing is preparing. Prepare. No script doesn't mean no preparation. Prepare. Know where you must be in the middle of your presentation. How long does it take to deliver half of your presentation? And Chris Anderson suggests us to prepare our talk with 90% of the time available. If you have 30 minutes to deliver your talk, prepare to give it in 27 minutes. Dale Carnegie says, the one fatal mistake many make is to neglect to prepare their talks. How can they even hope to subdue the cohorts of fear, the cavalry of nervousness, when they go into the battle with wet powder? Does the preparation of a speech mean the gathering of some thoughtless phrases written down or memorized? No, it means the assembling of your thoughts, your ideas, your convictions. Preparation means thinking, brooding, recalling, selecting the ones that appeal to you most, polishing them, working them into a pattern, a mosaic of your own. That doesn't sound like such a difficult program, does it? It isn't. It just requires a little concentration and thinking to a purpose. Now I ask you, do you prefer to give your speech with a script or without a script? Comment here. I want to see your opinion. Thank you very much. I am Felipe Gibi. See you next class. The visual resources of your speech. How do you prepare your slides?